morning, good morning. Welcome to your day. Now, let's make smoothie. I'll have to get my ingredients from the refrigerator. Okay, I'll get my ingredients. These are my ingredients. Frozen grapes. Frozen, what call this one? Pineapple. Dragon fruit. Spinach. Avocado. Banana. And then, what else? Coconut water, and then I have some protein powder here, and then chia seeds, and then I put a little cinnamon. I think that's it. Now, this is where I put the fruits. So I put around 10 pieces of grapes. And then 1 slice of pineapple. One-fourth avocado. And then also 1 slice of dragon fruit. I just love to like mix every fruit that I have. So, yun lang. Kahit anong fruits na meron kayo, pwede naman. Pero maganda may vegetable, may veggies. If only I have lots of veggies, but this is the only veggie that I have here right now. If only I have lots of spinach, so I can have like a cup of it. Usually a cup of spinach. And then you add some fruits, whatever fruits you have in your house, you can just add it on your smoothie. Like a teaspoon of chia seed. I want to put my coconut water first. I have like a cup. Depende lang din sa inyo kung 2 cups, 1.5 cups. Depende kasi ako lang kasi ang iinom nito. So, ano siya? Ganyan na siya. And then, I'll put the chia seed, 1 teaspoon. And then, my ground cinnamon. Mga 1/4 teaspoons ata. Kasi I love cinnamon. And cinnamon has lots of benefits. And then tin powder. Ubus na yung tin powder ko. 1 teaspoon ata. Around 1 teaspoon. Simutin natin kasi mahal. Tapos wala pa tayong pork. So, dipit. Okay. Tapos, the last fruit that I put in my smoothie is my banana. Yes. Banana. I'll just cut it with hands. My hands, I clean my hands. Wash the dishes and then, so it's clean. Yan lang. Minsan kakain eh. Yummy. Yummy banana. Tapos, ano na? Lagay na natin sa, I think this is, I need more coconut water. Let me see if I still have. Well, wala na. So, ito na lang. Then, mix and mix and mix. Put it in the blender. Turn it on. Maingay po to. Excuse me. Dali lang ito. Ayan, tapos na. Take it from our blender. Ito na siya. Ganito na yung consistency niya. So, open it. Ito na po yung smoothie natin. Okay, ganyan po siya. So, yummy. Maganda po to for the kids. Lalo na yung mga bata na hindi kumakain ng alugbate or ng spinach or ng vegetables. Add fruits in it, whatever fruits that you have, and I'll tell you, it's so yummy and they will love it. So, ito na yung smoothie natin. Enjoy breakfast! Sarap talaga. in the refrigerator for tomorrow. Hands are wet. Wet hands. So, ganun lang po kasimple gumawa ng smoothie. Diba, ang dali lang. Tapos, ang sarap-sarap pa. Tapos, napaka-nutritious pa nito. Yung pineapple is rich in antioxidants. Tapos, yung benefits pa ng dragon fruit, ng banana, diba? Yung avocado, ano pa, ibang nilagay natin dito. And, it's good kasi, pag ito yung breakfast mo, so, mas ma-absorb talaga ng body mo all the nutrients coming from your smoothie. Kaya, I love smoothie. Kahit noong nandyan pa ako sa Pilipinas, nagsusmoothie na ako almost every morning. Sarap talaga. And hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng ice to make it cold or colder or whatever, because frozen fruits yung inano ko dito eh, nilagay karamihan. It's so good. Ang sarap. Ito nang maubos. Sensya po kayo kasi bago pa po akong ligo. So, basa po yung buhok ko. Kaya ganyan. Kaya ganito yung anak ko. Pupunta po kasi kami ngayon sa sa Cleveland because may problema dun sa cellphone ng asawa ko. We hope and we pray that we will receive favor from the Lord today. Kasi may nangyari yung sa... I will talk to you about it in another vlog regarding what happened to his cell phone. So, punta kami sa Verizon, sa Cleveland Verizon para sa aming appointment. I will update you about it. Nagtatanong kayo bakit isa lang yung ako lang yung umiinom nito, kasi yung husband ko, kasi yung asawa ko, hindi siya umiinom nito. Hindi niya love yung veggies and fruits. So, let's put it that way na lang. Kasi lumaki siya na iba yung kinalakihan niya, iba yung food na kinalakihan niya. So, tayo, Pinoy, gusto natin fruits and vegetables. So, yeah. So, mas maganda. Sinisimot ko talaga yung ng smoothie kasi sayang eh. mahal kaya ng ng dragon fruit dito. O, diba? Ubus na. Hugasan ko lang. Yay! Yun na yung vlog natin today regarding my smoothie. So, sana po nagustuhan nyo at sana po you will try the smoothie and you will have it every morning kasi po ang ganda talaga. It's very healthy, nutritious, so delicious. Healthy, nutritious, and delicious. And it's really good for your body. Lalo na sa panahon na to, kailangan nating, alam mo na po, kailangan talaga natin alagaan ng ating sarili, ang ating health. Kasi sabi nga nila, alam nyo na yun, health is wealth. So this is your day. Once again, I just want to say thank you for watching the vlog. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. And thank you. I just want to say thank you, and you have a blessed day with your friends, with your family, and your loved ones. You take care. Ingat po kayo palagi. Alam niyo po, you are always part of our prayer ng mag-asawa araw-araw. So, sana po patuloy po tayong magdasal araw-araw. Magdasal po tayo para sa ating pamilya, para sa ating friends, sa ating bansa, kung ano na nangyayari ngayon at sa buong mundo. So, yun lang po. Sana po ay nagustuhan niyo ang video na ito. Mag-like kayo, mag-subscribe, share niyo po sa family niyo, at saka po, i-click niyo po yung notification bell para po ma-notify kayo for my next vlog. Thank you po ulit. God bless. Bye-bye.